Here I am here at the Smithsonian's Air and Space module from Apollo 11.
Louder. Louder.
Test 1, 2. March 17th. On our way for our cruise, we're stopping in Washington. Behind me is the lunar module for the Apollo 11 moon landing. Neat, huh? Let's walk around. Almost it kind of looks like it's really cheap, but this foil was needed for, I guess, certain reflections or anything, but this one didn't actually sit on the moon's surface, but I think 3 of them were made. This one didn't go only because the other one worked so perfectly. But it's identical, so they say. You can see up in that little cockpit some of the stuff that the astronauts will be sitting in. And I even noticed they've got a satellite dish, presumably 2 of them, I see, to shoot back images, live television of Earth. Suits.
What's the rear mount? This way, buddy. Okay. Now you want me to take your mine?
Y'all turn around.